Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about Monera part 3. Under this I will explain you blue-green algae, Mycoplasma and Actinomycetes. Blue-green algae or BGA are cyanobacteria. According to two kingdom system of classification, blue-green algae were included in the class Cyanophyceae or Mixophyceae of algae. But now they are included in kingdom Monera because of their prokaryotic nature. Blue-green algae is now known as cyanobacteria. The name cyanobacteria was suggested by ICNB, International Code of Nomenclature for Bacteria. Blue-green algae found in freshwater mostly, marine water and terrestrial habitat. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic oxygenic prokaryotes. Cyanobacteria were first organisms produced oxygen on this earth. They have following pigments: chlorophyll A, which is in green color, carotenoids, which are in yellow color, Cyanophycean phycocyanin, which is in blue color, Cyanophycean phycoerythrin, which is in red color. Note: Cyanobacteria are not always of blue-green algae. Example: Trichodesmium erythrium, which is in red color. Because of Trichodesmium erythrium, the red color of water of Red Sea is due to this alga. Different forms of BGA are cyanobacteria. Unicellular. Some blue-green algae are found only in unicellular forms. Example: Spirulina. Note: Spirulina is an edible blue-green algae because it has very large amount of proteins. It can be grown artificially in water tanks. It is used as fodder for cattle. Colonical. Some blue-green algae are found in colony, which means cell colonies. Example: Anabaena microcystis. Filamentous form. Some blue-green algae are filamentous. These are many cells arranged in a row in their body. The filament of blue-green algae is known as trichome. Example: Oscillatoria. Structure of blue-green algae. The structure of blue-green algae is similar to gram-negative eubacteria. Blue-green algae are surrounded by a mucilaginous sheath. This sheath is made up of mucopolysaccharides like pectic acid. The cell wall of blue-green algae is also bilayered. Outer wall is made up of lipopolysaccharides and the inner wall is made up of peptidoglycan. The cell membrane of blue-green algae is also made up of lipoproteins. Cytoplasm of blue-green algae contains following structures. Very first one, thylakoid or chromatophore. Blue-green algae contains membrane-bound structures which contains photosynthetic pigments are called chromatophores. Blue-green algae stores its food in the form of alpha granules. Alpha granules are made up of Cyanophycean starch. It is structurally similar to glycogen. Gas vacuoles. It is membrane-bound structure and found in blue-green algae, purple and green photosynthetic eubacteria. Nucleoid or DNA, which is double-stranded, circular and naked. Ribosomes are 70S type. Nitrogen fixation. Some of the blue-green algae can perform nitrogen fixation. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds like amino acids and nitrates. These nitrates increases the fertility of soil. Hence, blue-green algae improves the fertility of soil by nitrogen fixation. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen into two forms. One is symbiotic form, another one is free living form. Symbiotic form examples Anabaena and Nostoc. These blue-green algae form symbiotic association with many plants and performs nitrogen fixation. Example in the leaves of Azolla, in the coralloid roots of Cycas. Azolla. If Azolla is grown with rice, then the production increases up to 50% because Anabaena are found in the leaves of Azolla. Anabaena Nostoc in free living form. Some blue-green algae are found free living in water and soil and perform nitrogen fixation. Alocera. The blue-green algae is found in plenty in paddy fields. It germinates in water. This blue-green algae performs nitrogen fixation due to which the production of rice is increased. Oscillatoria also fix nitrogen in paddy fields. A special type of cell is found in nitrogen fixation in blue-green algae, which is known as heterocyst. Heterocyst is thick-walled non-green cell. Let's see in the peak of Cyanobacteria Nostoc, some cells are colorless thick-walled cells which helps in biological nitrogen fixation called heterocysts. PGA reproduction is done by two main processes. One is vegetative reproduction, under that binary fission. Binary fission is most common method of reproduction in prokaryotes. Example spirulina. Fragmentation by Harmogonia. Filamentous prokaryotes reproduces by this type of Harmogonia process. Example Oscillatoria. Asexual reproduction. It is method of protection to overcome unfavorable conditions. Example akinete formation in Nostoc. Economic importance of blue-green algae. It gives fertility to sterile alkaline soil and user soil. Blue-green algae secretes acidic chemical which decreases alkalinity of soil. Some blue-green algae are used as green manure. Some blue-green algae secretes toxin which inhibits the growth of mosquito larvae in water. Harmful activities of BGA or blue-green algae. Very first one, water boom. Second one, blue-green algae that grows in water tanks pollute the water. Example, Oscillatoria. Trichodesmium erythraeum causes red color of Red Sea. Next topic, Mycoplasma. In 1898, two French scientists, Nacard and Roux, while studying pleural fluids of cattle suffering from pleuropneumonia disease, discovered the organisms which are known as Mycoplasma and were designated as PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organisms. Novak in the year 1929 put these organisms under the genus Mycoplasma. The Japanese Doi et al. In 1967 first discovered that the aster yellow disease of plants are caused by Mycoplasma. Doi et al. Named these pleomorphic organisms as MLO, Mycoplasma like organisms. According to Doi, phloem cells, sieve tubes, and phloem parenchyma of plants are much affected by this disease. Main points. Mycoplasmas are unicellular, smallest prokaryotes. Cell membrane is trilayered and made up of lipoprotein. Both DNA, double-stranded circular mainly, and ssRNA are present. They are cell wall less, hence they exhibit pleomorphism and thus called as jokers of microbiology or jokers of plant kingdom. Osmotrophic mode of nutrition. Absorption of nutrients by osmosis is found in Mycoplasma. has resistance to antibiotics like penicillin, which act on cell wall. Mycoplasma are sensitive to tetracycline and chloramaphenicol antibiotics that act on metabolic activities. Most of the species of Mycoplasma are facultative anaerobes because Mycoplasma can survive without oxygen. Mycoplasma are saprophyte or facultative parasite. Reproduction. Mycoplasma shows most common method of reproduction is binary fission, and also by primary structures are elementary bodies causing diseases: little leaf disease of brinjal, bunch top of papaya, witch's broom of groundnut or legume or potato, aster yellow disease of sunflower. Note: Mycoplasma also causes mycoplasmal erythritis in humans, pleuropneumonia disease in cattle. Archaebacteria, group of ancient bacteria. Evolutionary, Archaebacteria are primitive. They were the first to be born on our planet and they are present nowadays with their primitive characters. That's why Archaebacteria are the oldest living fossils. Mostly Archaebacteria are obligate anaerobes. Thermococcus, Methanococcus, and Methanobacterium exemplify Archaebacteria that contains proteins homologous to eukaryotic core histones. Their cell wall is not made up of peptidoglycan like that of eubacteria. Their cell wall is made up of complex polysaccharide and complex polypeptide called pseudomurin. Archaebacterial cell membrane is not a unit membrane, while in eubacteria the cell membrane is unit membrane. Cell membrane of Archaebacteria is highly complex because of branched lipid chains. Due to complex cell wall and cell membrane, Archaebacteria can survive in harshy habitats. Archaebacteria includes following types. Number 1, methanogens. Methanogens are found in marshy area and gobar gas fermenter and produce methane. Example: Methanobacterium, Methanococcus. Halophiles. These archaebacteria are found in extreme salty areas. Third one, thermoacidophiles. These archaebacteria are found at those places where temperature is approximately 80 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius and medium is acidic. pH is 2. They are found in hot sulfur springs. Hot water sulfur springs are found in the Himalayan region. Barophilic prokaryotes. Prokaryotes which grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments called barophilic prokaryotes. Actinomycetes. The actinomycetes are included under the kingdom Monera. These are the primitive form of prokaryotic organisms which are multicellular and filamentous. The actinomycetes cells divide and grow like fungal hyphae. They do not have well developed cell organelles such as nuclear membrane, nucleus, mitochondria, etc. Some of the actinomycetes are parasites like Mycobacterium. Some of them are saprophytes. Some are used in the production of antibiotics. Example: Streptomyces.